Hi, how are you? I have been looking for a multi-tool for quite some time, and I came across this one at 511, the tactical store, and I like it. However, it does go on your keychain, and in looking at my keychain right now, I don't need another thing hanging on the keychain. So that was one drawback. The other drawback is the price was $12.99 or $13. So I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. Then I came across this one at Walmart. And I guess their brand is Ozark Trail. Anyway, it was in their camping section. And wow, it looks like it has what I would like. You just look at the back here. It has a knife edge. It has a bottle opener right in here. It has a can opener here. It has a buck saw right along this edge. It has a 4-position wrench in the middle. Oops. A 2-position wrench here. A directional auxiliary wrench here, and a ruler here, and a screwdriver up here. Now, that's pretty good. I kind of like that. And then the other thing I liked about it was the price, $1.97. Oh, let's just open this up and take a quick look at it and see what we've got. I think I can get it out. There we go. Let's see here. Alright. So, there it is, and it comes with a little case. But, here it is, as you can see. And it comes with a little case here. So that's kind of neat. But, the thing that really struck me was the fact that my phone here has a little feature on the back that opens up like that. And it just so happens that this multi-tool fits right in there. Boom. I've got a multi-tool with me wherever I go. No problem. This was kind of an accident. I actually didn't remember that the back of this phone case opened up like this. But, I mean, that's kind of cool. I've got a multi-tool that I can carry with me, and I'll have it when I need it, because 9 times out of 10 I'll have my phone with me. So I thought that was pretty good, and for $1.97, the Ozark Trail Pocket Tool, 10-in-1 Pocket Tool, is a pretty good little deal.